Are you ready to discover the top 5 ways to earn money online and turn your dreams into a reality? Welcome to our exciting video, where we'll unveil the most lucrative opportunities that can help you achieve financial freedom right from the comfort of your own home. First on the list is freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online by offering your skills and services in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, or virtual assistance. Whether you excel in creating captivating content, designing visually appealing graphics, coding innovative solutions, devising effective marketing strategies, or providing administrative support, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or specialized websites for designers or developers can connect you with clients seeking your expertise. With dedication, professionalism, and a strong portfolio, freelancing can provide a flexible and rewarding online income stream. By establishing your online presence and actively promoting your services through social media and professional networking platforms, you can expand your client base and increase your earning potential. Second is dropshipping. Another way to earn money online is through dropshipping, which involves setting up an online store and selling products without the need to hold inventory. With dropshipping, you partner with suppliers or manufacturers who handle the inventory, storage, packaging, and shipping of products directly to your customers. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make it easy to build your online store, while marketplaces like AliExpress, Oberlo, or SaleWho provide access to a wide range of products to sell. By focusing on marketing, customer service, and creating a seamless shopping experience, dropshipping allows you to generate income by connecting customers with the products they desire, all without the hassle of inventory management. Third is content creation. Content creation is an increasingly popular way to earn money online. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok offer opportunities to create and monetize content. Through ad revenue, you can earn money based on the number of views or clicks on advertisements displayed alongside your content. Additionally, brand sponsorships allow you to collaborate with companies and promote their products or services in your videos or live streams. Donations from your audience or fans can provide a direct source of income. And selling merchandise such as clothing, accessories, or digital products related to your content can also contribute to your earnings. By consistently producing engaging and high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, content creation can not only generate income, but also provide a platform for creativity and self-expression. Fourth is online gaming or esports. Online gaming or esports provides a unique opportunity to earn money online by showcasing your gaming skills. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube gaming allow you to stream your gameplay to a global audience. By building a dedicated following, engaging with viewers, and creating entertaining or informative content, you can attract subscribers, donations, and sponsorships. Subscriptions and donations from your viewers can provide a steady source of income, while sponsorships with gaining brands or companies can offer financial support in exchange for promoting their products or services. Additionally, participating in esports tournaments or competitions can lead to prized money and recognition within the gaming community. With dedication, consistency, and a passion for gaming, online gaming or esports can transform your hobby into a viable online income stream. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular method to earn money online by promoting products or services through affiliate links. By joining affiliate programs offered by companies, you can receive a unique affiliate link that tracks the sales or leads generated through your referrals. You can promote these products or services on your website, blog, or social media platforms, providing valuable information, reviews, or recommendations to your audience. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase or takes a desired action, such as signing up for a service, you earn a commission. Affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction offer a wide range of affiliate programs to choose from by focusing on building trust, providing genuine recommendations, and targeting the right audience. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative online income stream. What are some other ways you can earn money online? Let us know in the comments below.